How to fix a Snapchat login error. Having trouble logging into Snapchat? Here are some quick fixes to get you back in. Double check your login details. Okay, first go to Snapchat and tap on use another account. Okay, now just enter the correct username and enter the correct password. Okay, double check your login details. If you forget your password, you can simply tap on forget your password to reset it. You can tap on forget your password, and in order to choose the how you want to reset your password, you can choose via email or phone. Okay, choose it. Now you can just switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to restart your router to ensure stable connection. The next thing you can do is update the Snapchat. For this, go to App Store and search for Snapchat. Okay, once you search for Snapchat, you will see Snapchat right here. Now tap the updated Snapchat to the latest version. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. And that's all there is to it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.